What's up guys, we're here with Tech, and as we mentioned in our hands-on video, the Nubia REDMAGIC 6R surprised us with its slim and light body, which is uncommon for gaming smartphones. Its nice design, powerful specs, and gaming-centric features are to be expected, but it's not without limitations given its relatively low price. But the question is this the right pick, or are you better off with any other gaming smartphones currently available? Let's all find out in our full review. First, let's talk about the design. It's a premium device which you will immediately notice the moment you take it out of the box. It's got a cool metal frame with antenna bands all around, Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and glass at the back. Flipping to its front, the REDMAGIC 6R is equipped with a large 6.67 inches AMOLED screen that supports up to 144Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate of 400Hz. Placed above the screen is a hole punch for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, and in the bezel, the earpiece for phone calls. Now for buttons and ports, on the right side are the metal power and volume buttons. Also found on this side are the pressure-sensitive shoulder trigger buttons with 400Hz touch sampling rate. Down below are the USB Type-C port, main microphone, card tray for dual nano-size SIMs, and a loudspeaker. Unfortunately, we don't have dual speakers here. At the top of the frame, we have the pinhole for the secondary microphone. At the back, we have a quad camera module consisting of a 64-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth, as well as the LED flash. Moving to its display, the REDMAGIC 6R is equipped with a 6.67 inches AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution, or equals to 395 ppi. This is a good resolution for a gaming smartphone, as QHD or 4K doesn't really add anything to the gaming experience for a screen of this size. Protecting it is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and a pre-installed screen protector. Screen quality is great with punchy colors, deep blacks, vibrant, and has wide viewing angles. That's typical though for AMOLED displays, but what will entice users is the high refresh rate. You have the options for 60Hz, 90Hz, 120Hz, and 144Hz. And if you want, the phone can also dynamically adjust the frame rate based on the scenario or application. When it comes to the audio, we only have a single downward firing speaker, which is one of the first limitations we encounter, as other gaming smartphones have dual speakers for more immersive audio. The placement is also an issue, as most games are played with the phone in landscape orientation. This puts the speaker directly in contact with your palm, effectively muffling it. It can be avoided somewhat by adjusting your grip, but at that point, it becomes difficult to use the shoulder triggers. So it becomes a case of this or that. For software, the phone runs on REDMAGIC OS 4.0 based on Android 11. It looks like any typical Android 11 interface, but with custom icons and wallpapers. In addition, it comes with the usual Google apps and some built-in tools, and the Nubia REDMAGIC Equipment app, which shows the accessories you can use on this device. As for the features, there's Game Space, which houses all your games and automatically optimizes the system upon launch. A quick swipe from the side will bring out a dashboard that gives you access to game enhancement, display profiles, toggle aim assist, adjust refresh rate, recording, and shoulder triggers. It will also show you CPU, GPU, and network speed stats. All in all, it is well packed with gaming-centric features. Now powering the REDMAGIC 6R is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 with 2.84 GHz octa-core CPU and Adreno 660 GPU. The unit we have is the 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage model. However, a more powerful model is available with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Well, as expected, performance is great and can handle all tasks we throw at it, especially gaming. If you want to know more about the numbers, flashing the benchmark scores right now. When it comes to cooling, the REDMAGIC 6R doesn't come with a fan, unlike other gaming smartphones, but an accessory is available as a separate purchase. However, it uses a multi-level cooling system that consists of a graphene, vapor chamber cooling, thermal conductive gel, and superconducting foil, which works in tandem with the metal frame to dissipate the heat. Well, playing Genshin Impact, we got a recorded temperature of 51 degrees Celsius. It's hot on the top side but tolerable. Using the case included in the package will also make it more bearable. For battery, it has a 4200 mAh capacity, which is good enough for a whole day of heavy use at high refresh rate. In our video loop test, which involves playing a 1080p video on loop in airplane mode turned on at 50% brightness and volume, got us 15 hours and 30 minutes of playback. Charging, on the other hand, takes a little over an hour with 30 watt fast charging. Now let's talk about the cameras. The REDMAGIC 6R also aims to be a versatile shooter by packing a quad rear camera setup which consists of a 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultrawide, 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing. However, we find the UI frustrating as there is no way to access ultrawide on default mode. Instead, you have to shoot in pro or manual mode to select the ultrawide lens. Image quality is good with plenty of details and rich colors. However, we noticed that it tends to render greens and reds with some extra punch. It's got portrait mode and can apply artificial backgrounds quite well thanks to its dedicated depth sensor. It also has auto HDR and night mode, which also works fine, though the macro part is a bit of a hit or miss as we often get out of focus shots. When it comes to selfies, it's got a 16 megapixel shooter, which produces sharp images in natural colors, and it also has portrait mode and beauty effects. When it comes to the videos, it can record up to a whopping 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. It's a heavy memory though, as a 30-second clip is at 208 megabytes. There's also 4K at 60 frames per second available if you think 8K seems to be overkill. Now to conclude this video, the REDMAGIC 6R is the kind of device for users who want the performance and features of a gaming smartphone without the bulk. It doesn't have flashy features but instead focus on things that matters the most: display, chipset, memory, battery, advanced wireless connectivity, and cooling system. Our only gripe is the speaker due to its placement and the fact that it's not a stereo setup. But other than that, this is a great gaming smartphone to have if you are on a budget. The Nubia REDMAGIC 6R is available on the global REDMAGIC website. The 8 gigs of RAM plus 128 gigs of internal storage Cosmos model is priced at $499, while the 12 gigs plus 256 gigs Mercury variant is priced at $599. So what do you guys think about the REDMAGIC 6R? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so that we send a future uploads, and be sure to visit yugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.